Some clarity today for the 100,000 Arizonians whose eligibility to vote was in question. Sienna Monea joins us from the newsroom to explain how the recent ruling by AZ Supreme Court will impact voters.
In a major decision, the Arizona Supreme Court ruled that nearly 100,000 voters whose status was in question will now be eligible to cast their ballots. The issue stems from a decade-old error involving Arizona's Motor Vehicle Division and voter registration records. According to the Arizona Secretary of State Adrian Fontes, Arizonans who obtained their driver's license before October 1996 were not required to provide proof of citizenship. The problem went unnoticed for nearly 2 decades until Maricopa County elections flagged it earlier this month. On Friday, the state Supreme Court ruled these voters will still be allowed to participate in this year's election. In a statement, the Secretary of State said this is a victory for voters, quote, "The court faced a stark choice to allow voters to participate in just a few federal races on a limited ballot, or to make their voices heard across hundreds of decisions on a full ballot that includes a variety of local and state offices." And while voters will receive ballots as usual this year, they will be required to provide proof of citizenship for future elections. In the newsroom, Sienna Monea, Cronkite News.